Where's your scooter, Tom?
You don't have mine anymore.
That's right. You can use yours and Tom can use his.
There's an outside scooter.
Thomas, what is that?
It's a scooter.
What have you got, Tom?
A
You got
scooter.
a scooter?
One.
There you are.
Two, one. Bye. Well, I'm dead. It's so dead. I like it. It's a camera and a bus. Camera and a bus.
Good job, Thomas. What do you got, Sophie?
Bus
And a mirror?
and a bus.
Oh.